Okay. Hopefully this is faster than the Scary Maze game. We're doing the Hit the Dot game. Katharina, explain what this is.
Hit the dot. Hit the dot is where click it. Hit the dot. Hit the dot is where you click a dot and it gets smaller each time, and yeah, it's really difficult and annoying. See?
You just click the dot.
Click.
Why is it going slow? Okay, you
Click
click the dot.
See how it gets smaller?
Why is it going slow?
See how annoying that is?
Why is it going slow?
Now you get the idea.
Okay. Okay. Woo, yeah. Does it get like faster as it gets smaller?
Probably. He lost a lot of weight so he could run faster.
Ooh, we're funny.
Click.
Click. No.
Click.
No. No. No.
And
Go.
no. And
I'm clicking a lot.
Maybe that's how it knows that you're coming. No. Oh.
Okay, straight face.
Just you gave face on.
Right.
You're a jam. Cinderella man.
Oh! Got how
Look how
small.
tiny that is. You're going so fast and lost so much weight.
It's like me.